Welcome to my comprehensive guide on transforming your home into a MedBed healing center. These days, many people are interested in MedBed technology. You should know that MedBed technologies work through energetic manipulation of matter, and while I can't give you a date as to when this technology will be available, I can introduce you to some tried and true methods to heal yourself with the same energy. While not as easy and potent as the space-age MedBeds, these practices can have significant healing power when practiced over time. For this reason, many are choosing to create MedBed spaces within their home or workspace that replenishes their energy, soothes their mind, and nurtures their spirit. Still others have turned their bedroom into a subtle healing space. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Think about the calming and soothing scent of lavender or chamomile essential oils while your body is being exposed to biophoton energy. Imagine the calming, warm glow of pink Himalayan salt lamps purifying the air around you, promoting a healthier living environment. But it's not just about these individual elements. This concept is about creating a space that celebrates the essence of tranquility, healing, and mindfulness. It's about creating your personal sanctuary, your healing oasis that serves as your retreat from the chaotic world outside. The beauty of creating such a healing space at home is that you're never too far away from a wellness retreat. It becomes your daily dose of self-care, enhancing your overall well-being. Every single day, you are surrounded by elements that not only please the eye, but also nourish the soul and revitalize your body. You are constantly immersed in an environment that fosters wellness, promoting better health and wellness outcomes. Throughout this video, we'll delve deeper into the different elements that make up a MedBed healing center. We will discuss the significance of biophoton therapy and how it can impact your mood and health. We'll delve into the magic of aromatherapy, exploring how different colors can have a profound impact on our psychological state. We will also explore the healing power of solfeggio frequencies and how these sound vibrations can promote healing and balance within our bodies. Moreover, we'll guide you on how to integrate these elements into your living space, regardless of its size or design. You'll learn how to optimize your surroundings to create a healing center that not only aligns with your personal style, but also meets your unique wellness needs. We'll help you understand how each element adds to the healing potential of your MedBed center, and how to make the most of it. We will also take a look at how you can design your MedBed center, taking into consideration factors such as the layout of your home, the availability of natural light, and the use of color and texture in your interiors. You'll learn how to balance the different elements to create a space that is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional and conducive to healing and relaxation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create your very own MedBed healing center at home. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. One last thing before we start, your MedBed space should have no electronics running in it, especially a router which must be 40 feet from the space. The radiation emitted from these devices can cause cancer. The description of this video contains a link to my video on radiation from wireless devices. A main component of a MedBed environment is a biophoton generator or healer. This may seem like a bit of advanced technology, but in reality, it could potentially revolutionize your overall wellness routine. These devices generate a biophoton life force energy field and should be placed next to your resting place or under it with larger units. Their fields can influence the body's ionic balances and electromagnetic properties in ways that can help promote healthier function and improved resilience. By integrating a biotherapy unit into your regimen, you're not only investing in a piece of equipment, but also investing in your health and future. Lastly, these devices use various forms of energy, such as light, sound, or magnetic fields, to support wellness. Consequently, there are many different ones that I have heard good things about, but I can only attest to the efficacy of the Tesla biohealers. Second, we will explore the power of aromatherapy, a practice that uses natural plant extracts, known as essential oils, to enhance well-being. Each oil has unique properties. Lavender, for instance, is known for its calming effects, promoting relaxation and sleep. On the other hand, peppermint stimulates alertness, boosting mental focus. The key is to identify oils that align with your individual needs. Use a diffuser to permeate your home with these soothing or invigorating scents. Inhale the natural fragrances and feel their effects on your mood and energy. As you breathe in these natural fragrances, watch as they work their subtle magic on your mood and energy levels. There are a wide variety of oils for use in home healing that you can buy in stores or online. You can even buy combination formulated to assist with everything from menopause to pain relief. If you want to create your own aromatherapy blends, I'd recommend a book by Mel Hawley named The Big Book of Essential Oil Recipes for Healing and Health. Over 200 aromatherapy remedies for common ailments. Next, we traverse into the realm of color healing, also known as chromotherapy. This form of therapy, deeply rooted in ancient cultures and civilizations, seeks to utilize the incredible power of colors to balance and enhance our body's energy centers or chakras. Colors, in this context, are more than mere aesthetic elements. They possess profound psychological impacts, influencing our emotions, moods, and overall well-being more than we realize. Warm tones like red, orange, and yellow are typically associated with energy and stimulation. Red, being the color of fire and blood, innately symbolizes strength and power. It can stimulate faster heartbeat and breathing, igniting passion and excitement. Orange, a blend of energetic red and joyful yellow, promotes enthusiasm, creativity, and determination. Yellow, the color of sunshine, is associated with joy, optimism, and inspiration, stimulating mental activity and muscle energy. Then we have the cool hues like blue, green, and violet. Blue, the color of sky and sea, is often associated with depth, stability, and tranquility. It has the power to calm and soothe, promoting both physical and mental relaxation. Green, the color of nature, symbolizes growth, harmony, and freshness. It has a great healing power and a sense of comfort and relaxation. Violet, a combination of fierce red and calm blue, stands for power, nobility, luxury, and ambition. It calms the mind and uplifts the spirits. When choosing colors for different spaces, consider the energy you want to cultivate in each room. Do you want it to be a sanctuary of calm, a hub of creative energy, a space for comfort and relaxation? Choose your colors accordingly. Now, let's tune into the power of sound, specifically solfeggio frequencies. These frequencies, rooted deep in our history, are more than just aural vibrations. They are an integral part of an ancient musical scale believed to resonate with the very essence of our existence. Originating from a six-tone sequence, solfeggio frequencies were used in hymns and chants, thought to impart profound spiritual blessings and enlightenment when sung in harmony. Among these, the frequency of 528 Hz, often called the miracle tone, holds a special place. This particular frequency is said to promote healing and transformation, acting as a sonic balm to our tired spirits, a soothing lullaby for weary hearts. Think of it as a powerful tool, a mystical key, unlocking potentials we didn't know we had. 528 is the healing frequency and has been associated with DNA repair. And the best part is, you can easily invite this restorative frequency into your everyday life. You can simply infuse your home with the restorative sound of solfeggio music playing softly in the background. For a more in-depth look at the core solfeggio frequencies, check out my video, which will be linked in the description. From sound, we transition to the realm of light. This is an equally important aspect of creating a serene healing environment. It's not just any light we discuss here, but rather the glow emanating from an extraordinary source, salt lamps. These aren't just typical lighting fixtures. Salt lamps have a unique charm and character that sets them apart. Derived from pink Himalayan salt, these lamps are more than just aesthetically pleasing. They are natural ionizers. These lamps produce negative ions which neutralize the positive ions released by electronics around us, like computers and cell phones. When negative ions increase in the environment, it helps in purifying the air by removing dust, pollen, and other allergens. The light that these lamps emit is not stark or harsh. Instead, it is a warm, soothing glow. This soft illumination helps create a tranquil ambiance where you can relax, meditate, or rest. It's the kind of lighting that evokes a sense of calm and peace. Imagine sitting in a room bathed in this glow, taking deep breaths and experiencing the purifying effect of the negative ions. It's a multi-sensory experience that combines visual appeal with tangible health benefits. Salt lamps also contribute to reducing stress, increasing energy levels, and improving sleep, making them more than just a decorative element. So, when you're planning the perfect healing oasis, remember the impact that a simple salt lamp can have. Crystals with their unique vibrational frequencies are another powerful tool for home healing. These beautiful and alluring formations of nature are more than just eye-catching decorations. They carry a deep, remarkable energy that can aid in the restoration and balance of your own energy. For instance, consider the deep purple hues of the amethyst. This gemstone is associated strongly with tranquility. Its calming frequency can help to create a peaceful atmosphere within your home. On the other hand, the citron, beautifully colored in the shades of the sun, is known for its powers to foster abundance. It's believed that this crystal can attract prosperity and success. The clear quartz, often referred to as the master healer, is a versatile tool. It's revered for its ability to amplify energy, making it a great partner for other crystals. When choosing crystals, make sure they align with your intentions. Place them strategically around your home to witness a truly transformative power. You'll learn more about the healing power of crystals in my video linked in the description. Don't forget about the healing power of nature itself. In the world of concrete and chaos, imagine the serenity and solace that a small piece of nature can bring to your indoor space. Plants, in all their vibrant shades and forms, hold within them an incredible capacity to heal, nurture, and their presence is much more than just decorative. It's therapeutic. Inside our homes, amidst the furniture and electronics, plants serve as a living, breathing reminder of the grandeur of nature. When you bring an indoor plant into your personal space, you don't just bring in a touch of green. You bring in life, a life that purifies the air we breathe, imparting it an unmatched freshness that even the most advanced air purifiers fail to emulate. More than their air purifying capabilities, plants also cultivate a calming, grounding environment. Their quiet existence, their gentle sway, their continual growth all subtly influence our mental states, grounding us and creating an atmosphere of tranquility and peace. What kind of plants could offer all these rich benefits? There are many, but if you're looking for something easy to care for, consider low-maintenance varieties. Snake plants and spider plants are perfect examples. Unassuming yet resilient, they are hardy survivors that can adapt to a range of conditions. Choose these for a touch of green that also cleans the air. Natural light is another key element in creating a healing environment. It is not just an essential component of a visually pleasing setting, but also serves a higher purpose in our lives. The sun radiates its energy in the form of light, which not only illuminates our surroundings, but also has a profound effect on our well-being. The simple act of allowing natural light into our homes or workplaces can dramatically enhance our moods. And overall, it is scientifically proven that exposure to sunlight releases a hormone in your body known as serotonin, which significantly boosts your mood and helps you feel calm and focused. This is why you may feel happier and more energetic on a bright, sunny day. Moreover, natural light plays a crucial role in regulating our circadian rhythms, our internal body clock that cues us when to sleep and wake up. Exposure to daylight helps us maintain a healthy cycle, ensuring we get a good night's sleep and wake up refreshed and ready for the day. It's fascinating how natural light even enhances our sleep quality. Studies show that people exposed to more natural light during the day tend to have better sleep quality and more sleep efficiency than those who aren't. Therefore, it's vital to maximize the use of natural light in our spaces. One way to achieve this is by keeping windows unobstructed to let in as much sunlight as possible. Another effective strategy is to use mirrors, which can reflect and multiply the light, effectively illuminating darker corners. Lastly, you can finish off your MedBed healing space with some inspirational wall hangings or positive affirmations. In summary, transforming your home into a healing oasis involves a blend of aromatherapy, color healing, solfeggio frequencies, salt lamps, crystals, plants, natural light, and biotherapy units can significantly affect the quality of your life and enhance your body's ability to heal itself. So ponder no more. Embark on this exciting voyage of transformation right from this moment. It's not just about introducing a few aesthetic changes here and there, but more about making a conscious choice to infuse your living space with positivity, healing, and wellness. Imagine coming back home after a long day, to a place that doesn't just look good, but feels good too. A place where every corner is thoughtfully designed to promote healing and wellness. A place that radiates warmth, love, and positivity. This is what transformation can do. It's like stepping into a personal sanctuary every day. A sanctuary that uplifts your spirit, rejuvenates your mind, and revitalizes your body. Every room, every corner, every tiny detail would speak volumes of your personal journey towards embracing wellness. There would be a sense of calm, a touch of tranquility, and an air of serenity. So, don't think twice. Don't procrastinate. Start the journey of transformation today, and watch as your home becomes not just a living space, but a sanctuary of healing and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. We hope you found inspiration and practical advice on how to turn your home into a healing sanctuary. If you've enjoyed this video and want to continue exploring the world of wellness and healing, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly creating new content that will help you on your personal journey towards wellness. Share this video with friends, family, or anyone you think could benefit from creating a healing space of their own. Remember, the journey to wellness begins with a single step. Subscribe, share, and let's walk this path together. Transform your home, transform your life. It's time to take the next step. Thank you for being with us, and we'll see you in the next video.